Alright guys, so Sunday, getting ready, cooking some Sunday dinner. It's curry salmon and rice and peas. Alright, yeah man, so just big up on yourself guys. Much respect to all of my fans, my followers, all my supporters. You guys been supporting my channel for so long. Yeah man, just wanna say many thanks and much respect, one love, you know what I mean? Yeah man. So first guys, I'm preparing some garlic, some fresh garlic. Yeah, so yeah, quick and easy way to strip the garlic is to crush them a little, you know. So when you crush the garlic, it loosen up the ox from the garlic very easily, you know. So please remember guys, just stay tuned, yeah man, and keep supporting my cooking channel, you know, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Yeah man, one love, much respect. Yeah man, please be free guys to make a comment. Yeah man, really appreciate you. Just continue to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today this is what I'm cooking: salmon, yeah, and some mushrooms, yeah, lots of vegetables. So just stay tuned and watch what go on. Alright guys, so getting the sweet corn ready. Yeah. So curry salmon, rice and peas. Yeah, it is it. So guys, I'm going outside to cut some fresh scallion and thyme straight out the garden, fresh and nice, you know. Yes guys, so that is it. It's nice and sunny outside, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so cutting some fresh thyme. Alright guys, see? Yeah man, some fresh scallion and thyme. Yeah man, that is it. So I'm going back inside. Yeah man, do some cooking right about now.